everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use styles in Google Docs to organize your documents like a pro. This feature is perfect for reports, research papers, and long documents because it keeps everything neat and structured. Let me show you how it works. So I'm here inside Google Docs with my document open. Now let's say this text is my main title. I'll highlight it first. At the top toolbar, you'll see a drop-down that usually says normal text. When I click it, I get several options like title, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and more. For the main title, I'll choose title. And instantly, Google Docs changes the size and style automatically. Now let's create sections. I'll highlight this heading right here. Then I'll click the drop-down again and choose heading 1. For smaller sections under that, I can use heading 2. And if needed, even heading 3 for deeper sections. This keeps your document organized and easy to follow. But here's the really useful part. When you use styles, Google Docs can automatically create a document outline and even help build a table of contents later. So instead of organizing everything manually, Google Docs helps structure the document for you. You can also customize your style. For example, if I change the font, size, or color of this heading and want all headings to look the same, I can save that style. Just open the Styles menu again, hover over the heading style, and click Update Heading to match. Now every heading using that style updates automatically. This keeps your document consistent and professional with much less effort. And that's it. Thanks for watching.